I'm on number 14. Here we go. I think I can get these last three in. Let's do it. Now we have the 8 and 6. Because it's addition, I check to see if my powers match. They don't. So I have to get them to match. So 4.63 times 10 to the 8th. We're going to add to it. Um, we're going to change that to 10 to the 8th. So since I made that bigger, I got to make this smaller by 2 powers of 10. And that bumps it over 2 places. So 0.0726. Now, using distributive property, I find a common factor in both of those, and I pull it out, 10 to the 8th. Now, what am I left with? I'm left with 4.63 plus 0.0726. I got to add those, 4.63 plus 0.0726. I need 6, 2, 0, 1, 7. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Now, when I do that, I get my 4.7026 times 10. That's right. That's over there. Times 10 to the 8th. Yay. Whew. Moving right along. I think I can squeeze in these last two. Let's go. So, bummer. They don't match. I think that's a 3. So what I have to do is make them match because this is an addition problem, and my place values have to match. So I have 1.64 times 10 to the fourth. Don't have to change that one at all. Do have to change this one. I'm gonna bump it up to 10 to the fourth. And since I made that bigger, I gotta make this smaller by a power of 10. So I bump it over once because I changed this by 1. So that's gonna give me 0.729. And I look for my common factor using distributive property, 10 to the fourth. What's left? I have 1.64 plus 0.729, 1.64. Now I'm going to add those. 0.729, add it up, 9, 6, 3, 2. Now I'm going to just reorder it. I'm going to put that actually over here, 2.369 times 10 to the fourth. Last one, we have my powers of 10 don't match. I'm using subtraction here, so I have to have them match. I have to line up my place values. So 7.62 times 10 to the fifth. I like to take the smaller one, smaller exponent, make it bigger. So I have to take it to the fifth, and it got bigger by 2. So I got to shrink this one by 2 place values. Got to shrink it or make it smaller by 2, 1, 2. So that's going to be 0.081. And now I use distributive property to take out the common factor. I get 10 to the fifth as my common factor. What's left? Subtraction problem of 7.62 minus 0.081. Got to do some side work. Line up my decimal, 0.081. Bring my 0 in. That's going to be 10, borrow 1. So that's 9. Make that 11, borrow 1. 3, 5, 7. So I'm going to bring that answer over here, 7.539 times 10 to the fifth. Yahoo! Got it. Done. Good job, Mr. Worth. Oh, thanks.